Hi, this is Max White, and welcome to another episode of Consider It All Done. Today, we're going to transform a patio space. I'm going to bring in furniture, flowers, and much more. So this is the before. Stay tuned for the Hi, this is Max White, and welcome back to Consider It All Done. Okay, so you remember this patio before. Take a look at the after. By just adding a few furniture pieces, decorative pillows, and fresh flowers, I have transformed this space. If you need help with any area of your home, you call me, Max White, and Consider It All Done.